Excellency, especially the fight and for the generations to come. Thank you very much.
Initiative for a very long time in the past 12 months.
Was gazetted and which we are going to inaugurate today.
To communicate and give opportunity. This is my second
Republic of Kenya, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua.
Steering Committee on Drought Response that we are inaugurating today will, among other things, establish a private-led National Drought Mitigation Appeal Fund and mobilize resources to alleviate the impact of drought ravaging parts of this country. Now, more than ever before, we need to rekindle our spirit of Harambee and be our brothers and sisters keepers. Kenyans of goodwill to contribute a percentage of their salaries to pay to a pay bill number that will be established soon by this committee. Already, our men and women in the Kenya Defence Forces have offered to forego 1 day's salary to contribute to the response kit. The National Youth Service has followed suit. We appeal to Kenyans in food surplus counties to make their contributions through the offices of governors and respective county commissioners. The governors and county commissioners will work with the task force to be unveiled today and will coordinate the transfer of food to Kenyans suffering in deficit areas. In addition, we sent out a request to the media to make a financial or in-kind contribution in terms of airtime and newspaper space to popularize this appeal.